Okay, right there. All right, relax that shoulder. Cool. Give it a little go. Just kidding. Oh,
oh my God.
That was pretty crunchy.
Oh God.
That was great. How did that feel?
Almost lost the color in my eyes. Good God.
You're gonna feel a little pressure at the middle of the neck. It's gonna go straight across that way. Nice little hug.
Whoa.
See, it was a little hand hug, and then boom.
That was nice.
Just relax the shoulders. Picture Dracula. Good, good, good. All the way up. You're gonna feel it come up.
Whoa.
Easy peasy.
My hands are clammy as hell.
Those are great adjustments.
Yeah, it feels great. Thank you.
So how are you feeling compared to walking in earlier today and
lot
going over
better.
everything? Yeah?
A lot better, yeah.
That's great.
It's awesome.
High five.
Thank you.
This is so good.
Yeah.